Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a tutorial for EasyShip for beginners. So first, log in or sign in to your EasyShip account via easyship.com, and after you log in, you'll be directed here on a dashboard. Now first, on the analytics, you will see here your top destinations, top solutions, and sales channels. You will also see here your value of products shipped, total cost, and average cost per shipments. So basically, all of the numbers that is happening to your account will be seen here. Now on Get a Quote, here you will see how much you will pay if you ship a product into another one. On Create Shipment, here is where you can create the shipment. So basically, you will be needing this the most on Manage Shipments. Here you will see all of your shipments, pending, rejected, to print, and other on the pickups. Here you will see and manage the scheduling and status of your pickups. You can add a scheduled pickup by clicking this one. Now on Connect, you have your new integration and webhooks. You will see here, you can add a store to begin shipping. You will see a lot of e-commerce store here, like Shopify, eBay, and Magento. On webhooks, you can add a webhook by clicking on this one. Now on product listing, here you can see your products. Here is an example. Next is shipping rules. You can add a shipping rule here. Waste no time on tasks that can be automated. Specify actions to perform when certain conditions are met, such as select carrier X when shipping to Y or use box A when SKU is B, and so much more. Now on couriers, here you will see the partner couriers like DHL, FedEx, and UPS. And that's the basic overview of EasyShip. I hope that helps, and that's basically it.